Picture this, a tiny world zipping around the sun like a caffeinated hummingbird. You might miss it if you blink, but don't underestimate this little guy. That's Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Sorry, Pluto, you had a good run. It's a world of extremes, from scorching heat to frigid cold, and it's got more surprises than a magician's hat. So, buckle up, space cadets, as we delve into the fascinating world of Mercury, where things are definitely not as they seem. We're about to explore a planet that's both familiar and utterly alien. Get ready for a wild ride. Let's start with the basics. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, has some fascinating characteristics that make it unique. Mercury is the innermost planet in our solar system, meaning it's practically cuddling up to the sun. This proximity gives it some extreme conditions. It's about 36 million miles from the sun, which is about as close as you can get without needing a fire extinguisher the size of Texas. The intense heat is just one of its many challenges. And boy, is it hot! The surface can get incredibly warm. We're talking about surface temperatures that can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. That's hotter than any oven on Earth. Better pack your sunscreen and then some. But don't be fooled, the nights are freezing cold. But here's where things get interesting. Mercury's extremes don't end with temperature. Mercury is also the fastest planet in our solar system, whipping around the sun at a breakneck speed of 108,000 miles per hour. This speed is mind-boggling. That's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles in less than 4 minutes. Imagine that kind of speed on Earth. No wonder this little guy is named after the Roman messenger god. The speed and agility are fitting. It's a good thing Mercury is so quick because it means its years are incredibly short. A single year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days. That's less than 3 months for us. Talk about a short trip around the sun. Mercury's rapid orbit is just one of the many fascinating aspects of this tiny, speedy planet. Now let's talk about extremes. We've already mentioned the scorching temperatures, but did you know that Mercury also experiences some of the coldest temperatures in the solar system? Since it has a very thin atmosphere, we're talking practically non-existent. There's nothing to trap the heat at night. So Mercury, a unique and rugged terrain. Section 4. Hidden Secrets of the Iron Planet, Lesser Known Facts. Here's where things get really interesting. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, holds some of the most fascinating secrets. Mercury is actually one of the densest planets in our solar system, second only to Earth. This might come as a surprise given its small size. Why? Because it has a massive iron core that makes up about 80% of its radius. This core is proportionally larger than that of any other planet. That's like finding a solid gold nugget the size of a basketball. Imagine the sheer density and weight of such a core. Scientists believe that this giant iron core is responsible for Mercury's weak magnetic field, which is about 1% as strong as Earth's. Despite its weakness, it still plays a crucial role. It's not much, but it's enough to deflect some of the solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles constantly blowing from the sun. This interaction creates a unique space environment around Mercury. And here's a bonus fact. Mercury has a really weird spin. Its rotation is unlike any other planet in our solar system. It rotates on its axis very slowly, taking about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation. This slow spin is quite unusual. But here's the kicker. It zips around the sun so quickly that a single day on Mercury, from sunrise to sunset, actually lasts for 176 Earth days. This means a day on Mercury is longer than its year. Talk about a long day at the office. Imagine working for 176 days straight without a break. Now that's something to think about. Section 5. More than meets the eye. Mercury's surprising side. So there you have it. Mercury, the tiny, speedy planet with a whole lot going on beneath its cratered surface. It's a world of extremes, from scorching heat to frigid cold, and it's got more surprises than a magic show. But perhaps the most surprising thing about Mercury is that it's still teaching us new things. With ongoing missions like Bepi Colombo, we're constantly learning more about this enigmatic world. Who knows what other secrets this little planet holds? One thing's for sure, Mercury is a reminder that even the smallest, seemingly insignificant objects in our universe can be full of wonder and surprise. Keep looking up,